Hi everyone, I just want to show you how to install the Rally Armor mud flaps on a Subaru Ascent minus a 2019, but this would be the same process for almost all the models in that lineup. This is the after installation video, so you don't need any specialized tools, just a 10 mm socket will do the work. So you need to remove those two screws and a clip that's on the bottom part. Once you remove that, you will have the access to the wheel arch where you install the mud flaps. So what I did was I installed the existing one too. So I have two mud flaps actually, the Rally Armor and the one that came with the car. So once you remove it, you'll be able to see it. So usually the kit comes with the L bracket. So make sure you align the L bracket with the existing mud flap. The next clip you'll be able to see much more clear. Yeah, once you put back the clip, the bracket onto the existing mud flap, make sure the lower part is facing towards the outside. That's towards the wheel arch. Yeah, there you go. And once you have everything aligned, it's just 1, 2, 3, screw it back, and it's all done. If this video helps, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.